All right, welcome back everybody. This is part 2 of our Klon clone build. Today we are going to be troubleshooting. And today I've done a fair amount of research on this circuit, trying to understand how it all works. And honestly, I think the problems I'm having with output from this come from poor instructions, because let's zoom in here. Right here, this foot switch is shown with all of the terminals horizontal, as if like that when they're horizontal, you've got pin 1, 2, 3, and then 7, 8, 9. However, this is the schematic that I used to wire up the switch. However, when you look at the picture of it, they went up the side with all the terminals horizontal. So I think I'm gonna have to move those around. One other thing I noticed is on this schematic, it's showing to use that bottom terminal of this jack. And if you remember from that first video, I was questioning whether or not this was correct. But when you look, where'd that picture go? When you look in this same picture again, they're not using that metal jack, they're using the sides. So, I've also confirmed this from photos online of other people who have built this exact kit. I need to move one of these wires over to here. So I think this black one needs to go over here. And I also need to switch all of these wires because mine got a little crooked during assembly. There we go. So all my wires went across the terminals with it horizontal, like it showed in the instructions here. When in reality, according to this photo and another photo that I found online, they need to go vertically down the terminals with the terminals horizontal. So hopefully it's as simple as that, but today I'm going to break out the soldering iron again. I'm going to move, this wire's in the right spot according to the photo. I need to move this one to this side and then switch around all of these. So one goes to here, so that my red wire will need to go here, white, and black for the first 3. So 4 goes to 1, 5 goes to the middle, and 6 goes to the bottom. All right. Gonna cut to a time lapse real quick of me switching around all those solder connections, because that's probably going to take a hot minute. So stay tuned and then we'll see if it works. All right. Got that switch rewired and this rewired. Hopefully that's the only changes I need to make. I compared the rest of the wires themselves to what I see in the diagram in the pictures, and it looks like everything else, so hopefully this is it. I'll plug it in real quick to give it a quick test off camera. If it works, I'll be back with a shot of my amp and we'll see what it sounds like. If it doesn't work, we'll be right back here on the bench. Alright, I know I said that we would be going to the amp if it works, but it does work, and it sounds great, and it's just because I had those wires in the wrong spot because of the kind of misleading directions. So right now I'm going to do the finishing touches of tightening everything down. It's rotated from where I had it, but yeah, I need to tighten down all of the nuts on here and install the knobs and put the back plate on, and then we'll do the sound test. So let's just go ahead and do that real quick. Alright, we're back, and as usual we're on the open air mic of the iPhone. I still don't have a great way to film and mic up my amp cab yet, so this is what we got. But from the little bit of testing, this Klon here through this Bugera 333XL Infinium at low gain gives a very Brian Setzer / Stray Cats sound to it, and I really like it through this Ibanez that I put Filtertrons in a previous video. But we'll mess around with the settings on this. We're gonna start with just the clean channel, and then we'll move over to the crunch and see what it does to that. I have that set pretty dang low. That we're on the low gain channel of the Bugera, and with that crunch channel set that low, it works basically just like an overdrive, so we'll see how that stacks into that gain stage. The lead on the low gain setting is kind of just on the top end of crunch, and then we can switch it over to the high gain and see what it does from there. Gauge the Klon.
Oh my god. Oh, that is too much fun. I'm not even going to try the high gain channel because that's already insanity. But I hope you guys liked this video, the conclusion to part 1 of building the Klon clone. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the content, so you'll be notified of the next time I upload videos of guitar related things. And I will see you all in the next episode. Take care.